Banga soup is a special delicacy made from palm nuts in combination with assortment of spices called Banga spices and a variety of meat and fish. Banga means palm nuts. That's where its name is derived from. This soup is popular among the Niger Delta people of Nigeria, and they love eating it with starch. So, I decided to try out a plate of quality Banga soup and starch. This, of course, would be an interesting experience. So, during my trip to Warri in Delta State, I went to one of the most popular local spots in Efuru and requested for a sumptuous plate of Banga soup and starch. The place is called Mama Iyeri's Kitchen. Dave is the main man in charge of this kitchen. He prepares the local delicacy for customers. Dave allowed me to see the final process of preparing and serving Banga soup to customers. First, I saw how they process the shrimp, which they add to the Banga soup. The thick back of the fresh shrimp is removed, and the soft sweet part inside is brought out and kept to be added to the Banga soup. You add fresh shrimps, smoked fish, dried fish, crayfish, stockfish, catfish, fresh fish. It all depends on your choice. Of course, some persons use beef, but here in Mama Iyeri's kitchen, it is fresh fish Banga soup that I requested for. You also add periwinkle to the Banga soup. I saw the assorted fish, periwinkle, and the Banga soup itself. It is called ofaku in Igbo language, which means palm nut soup. At Mama Iyeri's kitchen, the Banga soup has already been prepared and kept in a large pot to be mixed with fish and other ingredients before being served to customers. The Banga soup is mixed with other ingredients and boiled for a while before dishing it out to customers. The soup is made from palm nut fruit concentrate. You squeeze out the raw oil from the palm nuts and add little water to make the soup. You either use fresh palm nut fruit if you have access to it, or the canned version, which you just put in the pot and add a little water to make the soup. And that is your banga soup. Then you add spices. At Mama Yeri's kitchen, the banga soup is prepared in small pots for customers. The oil itself is added in the pot, then the fish and other assorted ingredients are added, and you watch it boil. Ready to taste banga soup and starch. The yellow thing wrapped in waterproof is starch. I insisted on tasting the banga soup with starch, which is a popular meal in the Niger Delta region. I was served fresh fish banga soup. What a wonderful combination. Wow, this is real good. Hi everyone. I don't know why you guys don't subscribe to my YouTube channel even after watching my videos. But I give you guys good content, yet you don't subscribe. Oh no. I want blue. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, please.